Welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is India's largest green hydrogen hub. PM Narendra Modi will launch India's largest green hydrogen hub in Visakhapatnam on 29th November 2024. The hub aims to revolutionize industrial and transportation sectors by offering a sustainable alternative to fossil fuels. This initiative is a cornerstone of India's green hydrogen mission targeting net zero emissions by 2070. The facility will supply green hydrogen to major industries like refineries, fertilizers, steel, and cement. This project emphasizes India's role as a global leader in clean energy innovation and decarbonization efforts. Now, before moving on to next slide, we have an announcement for you. Drishti IAS Mukherjee Nagar classes are now in Noida, Sector 15. Not Mukherjee Nagar. Noida is the new UPSC hub. Mukherjee Nagar nahi, chale Noida. Our address is C171/2, Block A, Sector 15, Noida, UP, near Noida Sector 15 Metro Station. For location, click on the link provided in the description. For more information, call us at 9311 406 440. If you would like our counselors to call you back, please fill out the form provided in the description. Now moving on to key features of the Green Hydrogen Hub. Located in Visakhapatnam, leveraging coastal proximity for efficient transportation and global market access. Powered by renewable energy sources like solar and wind, employing advanced electrolysis technology for hydrogen production. Includes state-of-the-art storage and distribution infrastructure for uninterrupted green hydrogen supply. Part of a rupees 30,000 crore investment expected to generate thousands of direct and indirect jobs, and aligns with India's commitment to updated, nationally determined contributions under the Paris Agreement. Now moving on to global and regional implications. Establishes India as a leader in green energy exports, boosting its economic and environmental diplomacy. Promotes technological advancements in renewable energy and hydrogen storage solutions. Serves as a model for other nations to transition to sustainable energy practices. And bolsters India's global standing in achieving climate action goals and promoting clean energy cooperation. Now is the time to test your knowledge. What technology will the Visakhapatnam hub use for green hydrogen production? Thermal power generation, electrolysis powered by renewables, nuclear energy, or biofuel extraction? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.